Find the best screwdriver sets at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best screwdriver sets on the market. 5. Syntus 63-in-1 screwdriver set with electronics repair tool kit. Affordably priced. Easy to carry. Simple to use. 4. VCOO screwdriver set with tweezers and extension shaft. Affordable price. Convenient and easy operation. Non-slip handle. 3. Aosky professional 70-in-1 magnetic screwdriver sets. Used on multiple occasions. Portable and compact. Non-slip rubber handle. 2. XOOL 80-in-1 screwdriver set with a portable Oxford bag. Can be used in a wide range of applications. Portable design. High quality and non-slip handle. 1. XOOL 58-in-1 screwdriver set with 42 bits. Affordable price. Durable construction. Portable design. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.